everybody, welcome back. It is time for the long awaited, why did this take so long to get me to this month? Play by Sephora. If you are unfamiliar with Sephora Play, it is a monthly subscription service, $10 a month. You're going to get 5 beauty sample items, plus usually a bonus perfume or a bonus foil pack of some time. So you're actually getting 6 beauty samples for $10 per month. Coming to you from the great store of Sephora. These are items that they sell there and then shipped to your door. So our theme this month is a beautiful 2018. So with your play each month, you're going to get this cute little pamphlet that's going to describe everything that's in the box as well as puns. Now I have to ask you guys, I'm kind of fencing on if I want to unbox Sephora Play or not anymore. Just because I feel there's like so many unboxings, it's kind of flooding. You guys let me know down below in the comments. Do you want me to continue to unbox Sephora Play? Yes or no? Also, do you like it when I read through the puns, or do you just want me to get through the product and kind of get to the next step? You guys let me know down below. So let's get into this. First thing I'm going to do is pull out the bag. Isn't that cute? It says Happy New Year 2018. A little canvas bag with the blue ribbon. Let's see what we got inside. I'm going to kind of dump it and then go through rather than dig in the bag because, hey, why not? So the first thing I'm seeing here, and this is pretty big. This, what are you? You are new from Smashbox, is the Photo Finish Primerizer. Primer plus moisture in one. Shut your mouth, Smashbox. You duo you. Oh my god, they're already starting off hysterical. Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. Lightweight, non-greasy primer and moisturizer delivers deep hydration while prepping your skin for makeup. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this. The Photo Finish from Smashbox is my ride or die when it comes to primers. Who doesn't want to prime and moisturize at the same time? I will definitely let you guys know how I think this holds up, and we'll be playing with that soon. Next up, this is from Boscia. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce that. This is the Exfoliating Peel Gel. A pretty sweet peel. Boscia Exfoliating Peel Gel. A gel peel that exfoliates gently using AHAs and removes impurities for bright, soft skin. So I'm very intrigued like this. So this is an alpha hydroxy acid peel. So it's not like your glycolic acid peel. This one's probably probably doesn't do nearly as much, but it's way more gentle. So definitely excited to give this a try. Yes. Next thing here, this is from Glam Glow. This is the Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. Ooh, so it goes on creamy and then it foams up. I like that. At home with foam. Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. Ultra Creamy Cleanser uses a blend of 3 charcoals to clear pores and remove excess oil and makeup. So it's charcoal. It looks kind of dark in here. I'm going to take a peek-see at it. Yeah, it's kind of a grayish color. Very excited to use this. I'm wondering how well it'll perform with the Clarisonic. So I'm very excited to give this one a try and see how it goes. Next little thing I'm picking up. This is from Clinique. This is the Pep Start Eye Cream. I love getting eye creams. I never have to buy them. A pep in your prep. Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream, a hydrating and brightening under eye cream that's easy to pop in your bag for pick-me-ups throughout the day. Kind of has like this domed, I won't use that like that. Nope. But I do like the thought of trying this. You know, I'm doing that Project Pan Mini Madness. I will link that up here in case you guys haven't seen that and you're interested. Because that's a rolling pan, so as I use up a product, then I can put one in. So I'm really excited to give this one a try because I have an eye cream I'm trying to finish up. That'll go in next. And the last little thing in here. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade Kristen. So let's have a look. See there. Oh, you know that's a me color. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys, my hand's a little swatched up there. It's hard to clean off, but God, I have like 80 colors like this. But I do love some Anastasia lip gloss. This is kind of like that butter lip gloss, like the NYX Intense butter lip glosses. It's like same texture. I love that. A stroke of good lacquer. Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in Kristen. An opaque high pigment lip gloss in a desert sand shade for shiny lacquered lips. So yes, can't wait to play around. Probably wearing this tomorrow. I'm not going to lie, guys. I love colors like that, and I do love Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, and so the last thing we have instead of a perfume sample this month, I'm never mad at that because I'm a perfume snob, and I hate getting the perfume samples, to be honest. But what we got instead this month is a foil pack. And this is a mask treatment from Away Hair Care. And oh my gosh, they always have the best smelling products. So I'm super excited. Not just best smelling, but best smelling and really good products. So I can't wait to try this out. See what it says. Just mask for it. Away Treatment Mask. Moisturizing hair treatment protects and repairs damaged hair for soft, smooth strands. So yes, can't wait to put this to the test. So that's everything that came in my play this month. I'm so excited. I am liking all of the products I'm seeing in here. Excited to try this little eye cream out. This lip color is fabulous. Love some facial cleanser. I've never done a peel before, so I like trying it out with like an AHA peel so it's not like as intense as like some of the other ones. This is like my number one on my to-do list now. I've got to figure this thing out because if this is this amazing, this has just changed my whole game when it comes to moisturizer and primer. Game has been changed if this stuff is good. Once again, I want to, of course, thank you for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. Make sure to leave me some comments down below, like I said, about Sephora Play. Are you guys still interested in seeing this box? Do you like it when I read the funny little puns and kind of go through it? Or do you just want me to like show you the product and move on, make the video a little bit shorter? You guys let me know. That way it helps me out. As always, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up. And I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.